What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Shiba Inu today. We got lots of good stuff going on for the technicals and what we could quite possibly do in the near future for Shiba Inu, and not only Shiba Inu, but the whole crypto market. So I really do believe there's going to be a reversal soon. When I say soon, next month, and next month is inside of like 11 days, so that is very soon. So January, February, we're definitely going to have some nice movements inside of crypto, and I'm definitely waiting on this. But anyways, we're going to be going over this and why I believe that in a second here. But anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now let's go right over this. So the first thing I want to mention here with Shiba Inu, yes, this probably isn't going to look good, but the 24-hour market control is in control by the bears by 100%. So I do want to mention a few things here. So over here, you can see inside this red area here, it shows our supply and demand for less demand. Whenever we're inside these red shaded areas here, shows that we have less demand. But obviously, yeah, we have less demand. So anyways, we don't really have any green areas coming up right now. We did way back here, but we don't anymore inside of this area for Shiba Inu. So the one thing you really got to keep in mind with Shiba Inu is the whole overall crypto market is really just dictating where we're going. So right now, Bitcoin goes below 40K. We're going to see Shiba Inu go below the 3.0 area and head down to 2.5. Now, I definitely believe that Shiba Inu is going to be hitting 2.5 very soon. There's going to be another drop in the crypto market. So me personally, I believe that there is going to be one more crash in the crypto market. We already had like two drops, led us all the way down to where we are at now. But I definitely believe we're going to have another drop coming very soon. Remember, we were all the way at like 68K or 69K of all-time highs for Bitcoin. So Shiba Inu's all-time high, we were like at 0.000088 or 89. So over here, I think I'm at the Bitcoin price right here. So yeah, anyways, Bitcoin all-time high was 69K. So you got to think, we went all the way from 69K all the way down to about 30K. So that was a pretty big drop for us. And the fact that we're still here all the way down to 45K from 69K, like 40K is probably going to be where we bottom out. Now remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but you got to think that's $29,000 down below. So it's definitely a pretty big drop. It's probably not going to be like how we had before where we went all the way down to like 25K. But we may actually end up stopping at 40K. Hopefully, we stop at 40K. Let's just say hopefully. But anyways, let's go over this with Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu looks weak as SHIB price struggles to find support amid short trading history. So yeah, short term, we're definitely bearish here at Shiba Inu. And the only way that we do become bullish with Shiba Inu is pretty much to get past the 0.0004 area. And that is pretty much what we got to get past in order to become bullish with Shiba Inu. So a lot of people believe that, and the analysts over here at FX Street also believe it. They say Shiba Inu must break 0.0004 to go ballistic, pretty much to get on a bullish trajectory. But yeah, if we just try to do a rise and we go up to 0.000035, then what will end up happening is we'll get rejected, and then we'll end up retesting that support and possibly breaking it. So right now, we just need to go down a little bit more so then we can build that momentum to go back up. Because right now, we just don't have enough demand inside SHIB. You can even see it here with the supply and demand. There is no green supply and demand areas, pretty much showing that there's not much demand for Shiba Inu right now. There was a lot of demand for Shiba Inu way back here, all the way from the 3.0 area all the way up to about the 3.3 area. So there was lots of demand back there. But now that green area has completely faded out, and now we're only inside of the red area. So we're about to have some more downtrends coming here inside Shiba Inu. Let's go over some more stuff though. So over here you can see Shiba Inu looks weak and is probably struggling to find some support right now. So Shiba Inu looks unable to hold the above the 0.00003535 area. Right now we're at the 3096 area. So we're looking for that support, and support is at 3.0. But if we break below 3.0, like I said, our next support would be 2.5. So SHIB price has not had many technical elements that provide enough support in a longer time frame. So expect support from either the monthly S1 support or a technical support level holding 25% devaluation. So Shiba Inu is now at the mercy of bears that are pushing SHIB prices further to the downside, breaking below the critical 0.00003535 level this week. So you could actually even see over here, we just now broke 3,100. But yeah, the bears are in control by 100% of the 24-hour market control. So you got to think about that. You got to keep that in mind. So over here, you can see as bulls are looking for good entry points, there are no fundamental entry points for now, unless further down the line. So expect Shiba price to take towards either 0.000030 with the monthly S1 support level, or towards 0.00002640 with the historical start of the rally at the third week of October. So they're saying 2640, I say 25, but either way is good. But anyways, although the current outlook is grim, a bullish knee-jerk reaction is just around the corner. And a knee-jerk reaction, pretty much what they mean is a slight movement up, but not a taking, like not taking off. Like we are at 3-1 right now. Pretty much what they're saying is if we have that knee-jerk reaction, then we go up from 3-1 possibly to like 3-2 or 3-3. But it wouldn't be enough to build enough momentum to go on a bullish trajectory. Like it just wouldn't happen like that. But anyways, let's keep going. So over here, you can see Shiba Inu price showed some promising bullish signs last week at the level at 0.00003535 held, and bulls were able to close above it for the week. So this week, the different central bank rate decisions proved too much for SHIB investors, and price action broke to the downside, looking for support. So the only issue is that there is no solid historical support available, as SHIB price only exists for almost 7 months. So Shiba bulls can pinch on the S1 monthly support level at the 3-0 level that acted as good support in the significant correction Shiba Inu price action had at the end of November. So if that level does not hold, expect a lower leg. I don't know why they talk like that, leg lower, but I guess a leg lower towards 0.00002640, which acted as support on the retest after the break higher above 3535 mid-October. So 2640 is their support. I say 25 again. And as over here, you can see as the floor acted as a launching platform for the higher rally, expect this level to hold as support. So expect 2640 to hold as support. That's what they're saying. I was saying 25 because 25 is more plausible. Let's zoom in here. So you can see right here, 26 is a little bit, I want to say not below it, but it's like right here on this green mark here. It's like right in the middle of this one and this one. But I was looking at it at the top of this candlestick. But it's really close to each other, so it's almost like the same thing. Because if we go below 2640 and head towards 25, then it's just a little bit away from it, so it's not that big of a deal. But anyways, I still say 25. But let's keep going. So if investors see a pickup in Shiba price action going into Christmas, which is highly unlikely because a lot of people are selling crypto right now to buy Christmas presents. So you got to think about it like that. A turnaround could be in the making, as bulls would gladly stock some Shiba Inu coins at these discounts. And don't count on this. This is just like if for some weird reason we become bullish and we just start taking off before Christmas, then this would happen. I don't know. I don't think it's going to happen. I think Christmas right now is just too many people want to buy too much stuff right now for Christmas. I don't think it can happen right now. But anyways, most 2022 forecasts are coming out around this time of year, and most are very bullish on cryptocurrencies, creating a favorable tailwind that should lift sentiment and be able to push the price action back towards or above 0.00003535. So to the upside, the 55-day simple moving average looks to be the first test for profit taking, and if a fade in the price action can be avoided near 0.00004728. We don't need to be worrying about 4728 right now. We need to be worrying about 3.5. We need to be worrying about getting back up to 3.3. So anyways, let's move on from this. Let's talk about Bitcoin for a second, because as we know, the whole overall crypto market is following Bitcoin. So everything, Bitcoin matters. Like we have to look at Bitcoin as pretty much, it's like the standing point. Like Bitcoin above everything else right now, because Bitcoin is controlling the whole market. So anyways, Bitcoin set to make a double bottom with bullish signs for the new year. This is what I'm talking about. January is going to be so nice for crypto. Just let it keep going down right now. Honestly, I'm praying Bitcoin pushes down to 40K right now. If Bitcoin pushes down to 40K before New Year's, that means when New Year's hits and when the actual New Year happens and we're actually in January, that's when the momentum comes in. But let's say we wait until January and then it sells off to 40K and we go down to 40K in January. That's going to be very bearish, because people are going to look at that. It's going to be a psychological thing. People are going to look at it. They're like, wow, we're already in the new year and we're still going down. Why? And then they're just going to sell it. They're going to be like, what Bloomberg is saying is really true. We may be going down all 2022 for all financial markets. That's what a lot of these big financial people are pushing. They want to see, I don't know if they want to see it, but they're talking about everything going down all 2022. Everything's going to be bearish. There's a lot of FUD in the crypto market, pretty much. There's a lot of FUD in all financial markets. And that's why Bitcoin going down to 40K right now before the new year will be a good thing, because then we can actually build that momentum when we hit the new year. So we can start the year off bullish. We don't want to start the year off bearish. Anyways, let's go over this. So Bitcoin price tried to reclaim the $50,000 level going into the new year, but does not look to do so. But Bitcoin price will instead look for another leg lower and form a double bottom at the monthly S2. So by this, investors will get the chance to pick up Bitcoin at an attractive discount with bullish forecast for 2022. This is going to be nice. I definitely want to see the investors being able to buy Bitcoin at a cheaper price. I want to see Bitcoin hit 40K, because when that happens, people see that buying opportunity and then they buy in. They buy that dip, and that's what builds the momentum to continue onto an uptrend. So that's exactly what could happen. Now over here, by this, investors will get the chance to pick up Bitcoin at an attractive price. So if we can just see Bitcoin possibly hit 40K, then we'll be good. Over here, you can see going into 2022, this means that Bitcoin could see investors picking up the lucrative discount around 44,000 or 43,000. So a lot of people projected $100,000 Bitcoin by the end of the year. It's just not going to happen. Unless we just start going off like crazy right now, it's just not going to happen at all. Like, just give up on that. But anyways, this is an important message down here. The one thing that could trigger more bearish sentiment is the 200-day simple moving average that could act as an entry point for more bears to enter their trade and continue to weigh in on the price action. Bitcoin bulls would start to flee the scene, taking their losses and not return before next year. So next year, they're going to return regardless. So this would give bears a free ticket to push the price even further towards $40,750, testing the psychological $40,000 level that should hold going into 2022. But anyways, this is just a little bit of Bitcoin analysis. I have to go over Bitcoin because we're all following Bitcoin. Shiba Inu is following Bitcoin, so we have to look at it. But anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As you can see here, though, we are at 1,073,598 holders inside Shiba Inu. That's really good. Yesterday, we had 1,071,488 holders inside Shiba Inu. So we should be at 1.1 million holders by the end of the year, or by next year, which is in like 11 days. But anyways, I definitely want to see that hit that level. But this is all I got for you all today. Remember, though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. But yeah, if you do like the video, though, hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. As always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.